AI product research has become a game changer for online arbitrage sellers in 2026. Traditional product hunting is being replaced by intelligent systems that analyze millions of data points and uncover profitable opportunities in seconds. Tools like ChatGPT, SmartScout, and other AI platforms have made sourcing faster, smarter, and far more strategic. Let's start with ChatGPT. This AI tool isn't just for writing, it's a research assistant that can help you identify product trends, find niche opportunities, and even draft listing descriptions. By combining data from marketplaces, social media, and consumer sentiment, ChatGPT can generate ideas for product categories that are trending but not yet oversaturated. For example, you can ask it to find products with growing demand in home improvement, health tech, or sustainable living. Within seconds, you'll get insights that might take hours to uncover manually. You can also use ChatGPT to brainstorm profitable angles. Ask it questions like, what types of eco-friendly household products are trending on TikTok? Or, what subcategories in toys have rising sales but low competition? The AI's ability to interpret real-time online data can help you think beyond basic keyword searches. Next, SmartScout. This tool takes a data-first approach to AI-driven research. It maps the entire Amazon marketplace, analyzing brands, sellers, and product categories. With SmartScout, you can quickly identify which brands are growing, which products have consistent sales, and where the biggest profit gaps exist. It also helps you find products that fit your sourcing criteria, like high demand, low competition, and healthy margins. SmartScout's visualization tools make it easy to spot trends by showing you category performance and market share in a single dashboard. You can even discover untapped niches by filtering for products with high sales velocity but few competing sellers. This kind of insight used to require hours of manual spreadsheet work. Now, AI delivers it in seconds. Other AI-powered tools are enhancing this ecosystem too. Tactical Arbitrage now integrates predictive analytics, automatically forecasting future bestsellers based on sales velocity and pricing history. Smart repricers like Aura AI analyze buyer behavior and adjust prices dynamically for maximum conversion. Even Chrome extensions are using AI to flag restricted products, detect counterfeits, and estimate FBA storage turnover. The secret to mastering AI product research is integration. Use ChatGPT for creative discovery, SmartScout for deep marketplace analytics, and Tactical Arbitrage for execution. Together, they form a complete intelligence system, from idea generation to purchase decision. AI doesn't replace your business instincts. It amplifies them. It removes the guesswork, giving you time to focus on strategy, relationships, and scaling. You'll spend less time searching for deals and more time managing a profitable, sustainable business. In 2026, the best arbitrage sellers aren't just hustlers, they're analysts. They understand that information is power, and AI is the ultimate tool to harness it. With ChatGPT, SmartScout, and today's next-generation sourcing tools, you can find products faster, with higher accuracy, and a fraction of the effort. The future of arbitrage is automated, intelligent, and data-driven. Your only job is to use these tools wisely and stay one step ahead.